Sup, bro? It's me, Ron Ogden. Today, how to use a mortar in Battlefield 3. Come with me as I show you how to rain grenades on the enemy team.
The M224 mortar is unlocked for the support class at 40,000 kit points. You can place a mortar by selecting it using the left D-pad and pressing right trigger once the mortar reticle is not red. For the mortar to be fully effective, we recommend having a recon teammate use one of the many recon gadgets to help you find individuals to kill. Note, the mortar also has a smoke round that can be selected by using the Y button.
Bro, you know what it's like being in a mortar strike? You're standing there, you're like, all right, everything's cool, and then boom, you're dead, bro. And then they're all like, what happened? I was all by myself. Why'd I explode? And you're like, hey, I'm over here at D. I did that with my mortar, bro. Period. End of sentence. End of chapter. Conclusion of story, bro.